Outside, Victoria's about to see firsthand why these dogs only get a few hours walk a week.
Come here.
He's very strong, isn't he?
What is the word, Victoria? Come here.
This isn't a walk, is it? It's a drag.
It's a drag.
With their dogs so out of control, Linda and Caesar are too scared to ever let them off the lead.
It's no wonder that these dogs aren't walked, because it's just not pleasurable. Caesar and Linda have no control over them, and it's not the dog's fault, it really is their fault.
Not you.
And when nature calls, Caesar passes on the road.
Did you just pass the bag to Linda? So that Linda could pick up the poo?
I'm a typical man. I'm guilty of that. I'm guilty of that. I do feel bad about it.
No, you don't.
You are going to be prime poo man now.
Linda.
Oh yes. I'm going to be I'm going to love this.
Okay, so you are.
Yes. I think Linda is in a difficult place because although Caesar loves the dogs, he's actually not prepared to put in the
Oh,
real
it was a
work.
task.
For goodness sake, he doesn't even pick up the dog's poo when they're walking together.
I'm sick and tired of being the only one that seems to be accountable and responsible for their behaviour and their welfare.
Do you think Caesar needs to take more responsibility?
Yes, I think he does, but he needs to know that as